Hello, and welcome to Reviewly.ai. In this video, we're going to walk through how to connect QuickBooks to Reviewly.ai, so review requests are automatically sent after an invoice is paid. So, let's get started. To begin, you're going to need an active QuickBooks account. Then, go ahead and log in to Reviewly.ai. From your dashboard, click on the drop-down menu next to your location name, and then click Integrations. On this page, scroll down until you see the blue Connect button underneath QuickBooks. Then, click Connect. You'll be redirected to QuickBooks to sign in. After signing in and completing your account authentication, you'll be shown a screen to read about terms and service. In order to continue, you're going to need to click the green Connect button. Then, after clicking Connect, it will take you back to Reviewly.ai's integration page. And that's it. QuickBooks is now connected. QuickBooks makes it really easy to integrate with. From this point forward, whenever an invoice is marked as paid in QuickBooks, Reviewly.ai automatically receives the customer's information. That customer is then placed directly into Reviewly.ai's feedback and review request flow. There's nothing else you need to change inside QuickBooks, and there's nothing you need to trigger manually. Once your account is connected, review requests are sent automatically after payment, with no additional setup required. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or need assistance, you can reach out anytime to support@Reviewly.ai.